In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable the need to enter your Apple ID password whenever you download apps on your iPhone. This can offer convenience and speed, allowing for a smoother user experience, especially when installing multiple free apps or updates. If I head to my App Store, whenever I try to download any app, they always ask me to enter my Apple ID password. To disable this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to this option of screen time. You will then scroll down onto this option of content and privacy restrictions. Select on this option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Onto the last section of require password, mark on don't require. You will just need to tap on install without the need of putting in your Apple ID password. Put in mind that balancing convenience with security is crucial. While it may save time, keeping the password requirement can help protect your device and personal information from unauthorized access. That's how easy it is to disable entering your Apple ID password whenever you want to download apps on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.